Imagine a place untouched by time. Picture islands sculpted by wind and waves. This is the French Austral lands and seas, a remote paradise. Lost in the vast southern Indian Ocean, these volcanic islands and their surrounding waters are a world apart. They are home to a fascinating array of life. This is a story of survival in the face of harsh beauty. These islands are a living laboratory. They offer scientists a glimpse into the forces that shape our planet. We must protect these islands and the treasures they hold. For centuries, these islands remained hidden. Early explorers, braving treacherous seas, stumbled upon these jewels of the Indian Ocean. They brought back stories of strange creatures and landscapes unlike any other. Today, the French Austral lands and seas are a haven for scientists. Researchers brave the elements to study these unique ecosystems. They are drawn by the opportunity to study evolution in isolation. These modern-day explorers follow in the footsteps of those who came before. Their work is vital. It helps us understand the impact of climate change. The fate of these islands is intertwined with our own. We must protect these guardians of a hidden world. The French Austral lands and seas are a land of contrasts. Born from volcanic fire, these islands rise from the ocean depths. Each island tells a unique story. Some boast towering peaks, remnants of ancient eruptions. Others are low-lying atolls, rings of coral encircling tranquil lagoons. The Kerguelen Islands, nicknamed the Desolation Islands, are the largest of the group. Glaciers carve through volcanic rock, creating a landscape of stark beauty. Amsterdam and St. Paul Islands, smaller and more remote, offer a glimpse into the life that thrives on the edge. Their isolation has shaped their destiny. It has allowed life to evolve in unique ways. The fate of these islands is a barometer for the health of our planet. The climate of the French Austral lands and seas is harsh and unforgiving. The Southern Ocean, known for its ferocity, batters these islands relentlessly. Waves crash against rugged cliffs, sending plumes of spray high into the air. Winters are long and dark, the sun a distant memory. Temperatures plummet below freezing, shrouding the islands in a blanket of snow and ice. Summers, though slightly milder, offer little respite. Rain, driven by the ever-present winds, falls frequently, drenching the landscape. Yet, life persists. Plants and animals have adapted to these extreme conditions. They thrive in a place where few others dare to venture. The landscape of the French Austral lands and seas is a testament to the power of nature's forces. Volcanoes, both active and extinct, have shaped these islands over millions of years. Glaciers, remnants of a colder era, carve their way through the volcanic rock. Icebergs, carving from the glaciers, drift in the surrounding waters. The coastlines are a dramatic interplay of land and sea. Rugged cliffs, sculpted by relentless waves, rise vertically from the ocean. This dynamic environment is a paradise for geologists and scientists. The French Austral lands and seas stand on the edge of the world. Located in the Southern Ocean, they are far from any major landmass. This isolation has had a profound impact on their ecology. The Antarctic circumpolar current brings with it a constant supply of cold, nutrient-rich water. These nutrients fuel a thriving ecosystem, supporting a diverse array of marine life. Whales, seals, and seabirds all rely on the rich waters of the Southern Ocean for their survival. Understanding these islands is crucial for our understanding of the Earth as a whole. The French Austral lands and seas, despite their harsh conditions, teem with a surprising array of life. These islands and their surrounding waters are a testament to nature's resilience. On land, plants hug the ground, their roots clinging to the volcanic soil. Mosses and lichens paint the rocks in shades of green and grey. But it is in the surrounding waters that life truly explodes. The cold, nutrient-rich currents of the Southern Ocean support a vibrant marine ecosystem. Krill, tiny crustaceans, swarm in unimaginable numbers, their pink bodies coloring the water. This rich tapestry of life is a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. The skies above the French Austral lands and seas belong to the birds. Millions of seabirds, drawn by the abundance of food in the surrounding waters, congregate on these islands to breed and raise their young. Albatrosses, with their impressive wingspans, soar effortlessly on the winds. Penguins, flightless but perfectly adapted to life at sea, waddle ashore in vast colonies. Petrels, shearwaters, and skuas, each species with its unique adaptations, add their voices to the chorus. These birds are the nomads of the Southern Ocean, spending months at sea. The French Austral lands and seas provide them with vital breeding grounds. Protecting these birds and their breeding grounds is crucial for maintaining the health of the Southern Ocean. The waters surrounding the French Austral lands and seas are home to some of the ocean's most magnificent creatures, whales. These giants of the deep, once hunted to near extinction, are slowly recovering. Humpback whales migrate through these waters, their haunting songs echoing through the depths. Southern right whales seek out the sheltered bays and inlets to give birth and nurse their young. Orcas patrol the waters, their black and white markings a striking contrast to the blue depths. Their presence is a testament to the success of conservation efforts. The future of these giants depends on our actions. The French Austral lands and seas, though seemingly remote and untouched, are facing an uncertain future. Climate change is already having a profound impact on these fragile ecosystems. Rising sea levels threaten to inundate low-lying islands. Ocean acidification is making it harder for marine organisms to build their shells and skeletons. These changes are happening now, and they are happening fast. The fate of these islands and their unique inhabitants hangs in the balance. Understanding the changes that are occurring is crucial for informing conservation efforts. The French Austral lands and seas, for centuries shrouded in mist and mystery, have long held a certain allure for explorers and adventurers. These remote islands posed a formidable challenge to early navigators. Yet the promise of discovery drew intrepid souls to their shores. Early explorers, braving the perils of the open ocean, were greeted by a landscape unlike any other. Towering volcanic peaks, cloaked in mist and often crowned with snow, pierced the sky. Rugged coastlines, pounded by relentless waves, gave way to sheltered bays and inlets. These islands offered a glimpse into a world shaped by the raw forces of nature. The echoes of their discoveries still resonate today, reminding us of the enduring human spirit of curiosity. Today, the French Austral lands and seas stand as sentinels of science. These islands provide a natural laboratory where scientists can study the forces that shape our planet. Research stations, established on several of the islands, serve as outposts of scientific endeavor. Scientists from around the world converge on these remote outposts. The research conducted in this region has global significance. The Southern Ocean plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. Scientists study these processes to gain a better understanding of climate change. This research has implications for understanding the limits of life on Earth and the potential for life on other planets. Every expedition to the French Austral lands and seas yields new discoveries, adding to our understanding of this remote and fascinating region. Scientists uncover the secrets hidden within these islands and their surrounding waters, revealing the intricate workings of nature and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Geologists study the volcanic origins of these islands, and monitor seismic activity to understand the processes shaping our planet. Oceanographers measure water temperature, salinity, and nutrient levels. They track marine organisms to understand the food web in the Southern Ocean. Biologists study unique plants and animals, investigating their adaptations. They monitor seabird populations and penguin foraging patterns. The French Austral lands and seas, once shrouded in mystery, are gradually revealing their secrets. The French Austral lands and seas, with their unique ecosystems, stand as a testament to the importance of conservation and responsible stewardship. France has taken significant steps to protect this global treasure for future generations. In 2006, France designated the French Austral lands and seas as a national nature reserve. This designation underscores France's commitment to safeguarding the biodiversity of this region. The reserve encompasses a vast area of ocean, providing a safe haven for marine life. It protects important breeding and feeding grounds for many migratory species. France collaborates internationally to combat illegal fishing and mitigate climate change impacts. Through international agreements and research, France ensures the French Austral lands and seas thrive as a beacon of biodiversity. The French Austral lands and seas stand as a testament to the power of nature, a symphony of fire and ice sculpted over millennia. These islands, born from volcanic fury and tempered by the icy breath of the Southern Ocean, harbor life in its most tenacious forms. We've journeyed from towering glaciers to windswept shores, witnessing a world where survival hinges on adaptation. In the face of relentless winds and frigid temperatures, life endures. Recall the albatross, wings outstretched, tracing invisible paths across the sky. Picture the penguin colonies, a flurry of black and white against the stark volcanic backdrop. These creatures, perfectly adapted to this challenging environment, embody the tenacious spirit of life itself. They are a testament to the power of evolution, a symphony of resilience played out on an epic scale. But these islands are more than just a spectacle of nature's raw power. They hold secrets whispered on the wind, locked within the ice, waiting to be unlocked. Each volcanic rock, every gust of wind, carries clues to the Earth's past, present, and future. These islands, on the edge of our world, hold the key to understanding the delicate balance of our planet's systems. We've traced the footsteps of intrepid explorers, those who braved treacherous seas to chart these unknown lands. From the earliest encounters to the establishment of modern research stations, human fascination with these islands has only grown stronger. The echoes of discovery resonate through time, reminding us of the insatiable human thirst for knowledge and exploration. Today, scientists from across the globe converge on these remote outposts, drawn by the promise of unlocking nature's secrets. They study the delicate dance between atmosphere and ocean, the intricate web of life that thrives in the face of adversity. Their findings, carried on the winds of scientific discovery, have implications far beyond these remote shores. The fate of these islands is inextricably linked to our own. As climate change tightens its grip, the Austral lands and seas stand on the front lines, bearing the brunt of our planet's fever. Rising sea levels, changing weather patterns, and ocean acidification threaten to unravel the delicate balance that sustains this unique ecosystem. The French Austral lands and seas stand as a stark reminder of our responsibility to protect our planet. The establishment of a vast marine reserve is a testament to the power of human resolve, a beacon of hope in a world grappling with environmental challenges. But conservation requires more than just drawing lines on a map. It demands a fundamental shift in our relationship with the natural world. We must become guardians of this global treasure, stewards of its fragile beauty. By supporting sustainable practices, reducing our carbon footprint, and advocating for responsible policies, we can help ensure that future generations inherit a world where the albatross still soars and the penguin colonies continue to thrive. The French Austral lands and seas, with their raw beauty and scientific significance, offer a glimpse into the soul of our planet. They remind us that we are part of something larger than ourselves, inextricably linked to the natural world that sustains us. Let us heed the lessons whispered on the wind, etched in the ice, and carried on the backs of seabirds. Let us become guardians of the future, ensuring that the symphony of life in this remote corner of our planet continues to resonate for generations to come.